Hello and welcome. Today we're diving deep into the world of one of the most powerful and charismatic signs of the zodiac, Leo. Known for their bold, fiery nature and magnetic personality, Leos are natural born leaders with a flair for the dramatic. From their unwavering confidence to their love for the spotlight, there's so much more to explore about what makes them truly shine. So, let's uncover the strengths, challenges, and unique qualities of this dynamic sign. Stable, positive, and fiery. This refers to someone who is self assured, energetic, agile, and assertive with qualities of strength, speed, and determination. If we talk about their principles, a powerful course of action or tendency that promotes influence through forceful means. Alongside this, there is a desire to acquire power and authority. Lion. The symbol of Leo resembles the mane of a lion. Symbolically, this king of beasts relates to Leo's traits through its strength and power, its roar and dominance, and its natural instincts, which are reflected in the characteristics of people born under this sign. If we talk about their characteristics, their temperament fundamentally involves an active, fiery element expressed with a positive and a stable nature. This stability allows individuals born under the sign of Leo to control their assertive and confident tendencies. Their self assuredness can sometimes manifest as pride and a sense of dominance, leading to a desire for control and authority. The stable characteristics can become a suppressive and domineering force. These individuals are noble, not narrow minded, natural leaders, energetic, honorable, enthusiastic, straightforward, excellent organizers, and fond of working on a large scale. They are not intimidated by details and possess the ability to act and imitate. They are usually confident in themselves and have a love for joy and happiness. Mentally, they possess strong emotions and are inclined towards deep understanding and insight. They tend to analyze everything in detail before drawing conclusions. In love, they have powerful, sincere, and loyal emotions. They strive wholeheartedly to fulfill their lover's happiness and are very generous in their efforts to ensure their partner's joy. If we talk about their weaknesses and flaws, they can be domineering, rigid in their beliefs, intolerant, self centered, pretentious, boastful, indulgent, fond of luxury, and crave praise and acknowledgement. If we talk about their work and profession, they should pursue careers where leadership, self assertion, and the ability to make strong claims are essential, such as roles like manager, director, chairman, social organizer, or overseer. They are also suited for trustworthy positions that require a strong adherence to principles, such as actors or actresses. They may excel in businesses related to leisure, stockbroking, company promotion, jewelry, or cosmetics. Jobs that involve investigative work, organizational skills, or roles where they can personally benefit from their responsibilities are also ideal. Psychologically, there is a fundamental desire to achieve power and authority. Physically, the heart is a crucial organ in the body, serving as the central source of strength within the entire bodily system. The lower part of the spine and the hips are also significant. These organs are linked subconsciously to the circulatory system and the overall health of the body. There is a tendency towards heart related issues in such individuals. That wraps up our deep dive into the world of Leo, strong, proud, and always ready to lead the way. Remember, every sign has its strength and its challenges, and Leo's unstoppable energy is something to admire. If you enjoyed today's insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more astrological journeys, and until next time, keep shining like the stars. Take care.